The failure of the thunder god. Modern style. One day, Mina, a young woman who lived in the middle of the city, was working hard towards her dream. She was aiming to be a popular food blogger on SNS, but her followers did not increase easily and she was depressed. One night, Mina was looking at the stars on the rooftop when suddenly, the sky glowed and thunder fell. The thunder was not just about the weather, it was the thunder of the thunder god. And the thunder god failed. Oh, what should I do? It was supposed to fall into the sea, but it fell on your roof. And the thunder god said. Raging asks Mina for help. I'm a god who manipulates lightning, but even if I look like this, I tend to fail a little. If you help me, I will make your dream come true as a thank you. Mina was surprised, but she boldly proposed. Then, will you increase my followers? Raging said, of course, and reply. Mina and Raging worked together to create interesting content. Raging used powerful effects to enliven the cooking video, and sometimes added a special production with thunder. As a result, Mina's followers increased at once, and she became an SNS star. However, that was not the only thank you of the thunder god. He sometimes appeared in town to help Mina try new recipes. With the power of the thunder god, special dishes are created one after another, and Mina's popularity increases even more. One day, the thunder god returned to his usual form and said, your dream has already come true. Thank you. When I told her, Mina was full of gratitude and waved to the thunder god to see her off. In the end, Raging learned that his failure was a wonderful encounter for Mina, and he became a story in the town. And through the adventure with the thunder god, Mina gained the courage to believe in herself and continue to take on new challenges. That's it.